In the coming decades, Africa will grow from 10% to 25% of the world's working age population. To ensure this shift has positive economic, geopolitical, and security impacts, the continent requires significant investment. Bridgewater, the world's largest hedge fund, and Global Citizen, a leading community organizer, hosted a meeting in Abidjan, Côte d'Ivoire, amongst the leaders of African industry and investment. A group including 6 African presidents, the president of the World Bank, the president of Bridgewater Associates, government ministers, research analysts, and Energea were invited to participate in the discussion. Participants signed the Abidjan Accord, a commitment between the investing community and African leadership to work collaboratively to address the continent's most pressing needs while fostering an environment safe for investors. The results of this meeting were impressive. Energea benefited from fresh ideas and new relationships, which we hope will result in exciting new projects across the continent. The opportunity to invest in Africa and create appropriately risk-adjusted returns is real, and it has to happen now. We look forward to announcing new partnerships and new projects as negotiations progress. To learn more, log into energea.com today and check out Solarize Africa,